Hi everybody, hope you are all fine. This is ATEEQ. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Today I am going to show you how to practice Java programs in smartphone. So in order to practice Java programs, you need to have an application. I will recommend all of you to make use of an application named JV Droid. Okay, this is the application which is available in Play Store for Android users. You can download this application and you can make it to work in order to practice Java programs. So how to make use of this application? Let me take you to my mobile phone screen and I will show you the working of this application now. Okay, let us now download the application to practice Java programs. For this, let me go to the Play Store. Okay, and here in this search box, you need to type the application name JV Droid. So this is the application name. So click on this one, and this application is also from the developer ATEEQ'S. So just click on the install, and the application will get installed. And the size of this application is approximately 90 MB. And it is an offline application. No need of internet connection to use this application, which is a good thing. Okay. So I am waiting for this application to get downloaded as well as installed. So it is getting installed now. So okay, so application got installed successfully. Now once the application got installed, so let me go to the icon which is saved here on my smartphone screen. So click on this application now. So remember one thing, when you are opening this application for the first time, make sure that you don't switch off your internet connection. Okay, your Wi-Fi or internet connection should be switched on. So for the first time, not every time, for the first time. So click on this JV Droid application first time, and you can see here it will download and install some related files, supported files for the first time. It will take some seconds. Okay, yes, now successfully the related and supported files have been installed. So after this, no need to have internet connection switched on every time. Now dear students, now that we got this main screen now where we need to type our Java programs, and you can see by default one template has came already. So it consists of a class name main, public static void main, okay, and then string argument and opening and closing braces. Suppose just I don't want to teach Java here for you, just I want to make sure that how you are going to use this application now to practice the Java programs. So let me display a simple message now. I want to write a Java program. I want to type a Java program to display simple message. So for this, what I am going to do, I will make use of system dot out dot println function. Okay, println in double quotations. So I want to display this message, that is welcome to Engineering Drive. So ED. Okay, let us say this is my program, and here this should end with semicolon. So it will end with semicolon. Now once the program has been saved, don't try to run the program directly. What you need to do, you need to save this program first. So in order to save this program, you can see at the top one icon, folder icon. So click on this once. So after this, one menu will open. Here you need to click on save and click on allow. And suppose I want to save in my internal storage of my mobile phone all these programs. So click on internal storage. Here I want to create one folder now. For this purpose, you click on this new folder. Here I am going to give the name of this new folder as Java. So here I want to save all my Java programs. So click on create. Now the folder has been created. What is the name of this folder? You can see Java. You can see here. Okay, now after this, click on select folder. Now it will ask you to give the name of the program. Now we have taken the name of our class as main. So give the name of your Java program also same, that is main.java. We know that in Java, whatever the class name that contains main method, that class name only you should give as a Java program name. So that's why what I have done, main.java. So click on save. Now finally you can see here our Java program has been saved with main.java file with this name. Now once the program has been saved, what we need to do, you can see one play button at the bottom of the screen, that is just above the virtual keyboard of our smartphone. So click on this one, run. Okay, once you click on this and you will get the output. You can see here welcome to ED, that is welcome to Engineering Drive. So just go back to the program, click on back button, and again if you want to run the program, click on this run button, that is play button. So like this you can execute, you can type and execute various types of Java programs. And one more thing, sir, okay, if I want to open new programs, or what we need to do, again you need to click on this folder and you need to select new, and the new program with the default template will be opened. Is it okay? Now sometimes if you want to practice programs, already there are some programs which are given for practice in this app, which is a good thing. I like this one. So click on this menu option, and you can see here one option, samples. So click on this samples, and you can get here various types of example programs. For example, Java basics. Here you will have the basics of Java programs, Java related basic programs. For example, hello world program. Just click on this and you need to click on open, and the program will open. So this program you can do editing if you want. You can go through as a, you can type it as for practice purpose also. Like that, various types of sample programs are given in this option, samples, and there are more advanced Java programs also. So dear students, you can try this one later. Okay, so I believe that you people have a clarity now about how to type, how to save the Java programs, and how to execute the Java programs. And this is one of the best application. I believe that it is available in Play Store right now, and it supports the latest Android mobile phones. That is one of the good thing. So dear students, I believe that you got a clarity now that how to make use of this application in your smartphone. So any types of questions, you can simply put it in the comment section. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.